Hey guys, my name is Gemma and today I'm going to be unboxing my new iPhone 13. So today I went out and I bought the iPhone 13. I got the pink iPhone 13 in 256 gigabytes. Current phone that I have, it's got 64 gigabytes, which is way too little for my 20 gigabytes of TikTok videos. This is my current phone. I've got the iPhone 11. It's just in black, 64 gigabytes. I got it 2.5 years ago, so I felt guilty buying this one. So me and my best friend Abby,
loved you!
We actually went together. We got the exact same phone because we are twins, but mine's the better one. Now before I unbox it, I just want to say that I bought this phone with all my money. I have a job and so I used some money from that. I also had some savings and I earned some money in other ways. The main reason that I wanted to get this phone is actually the whole storage problem, because like I said, I've got literally no storage on my phone at the moment, and my phone at the moment has like 70-something% battery health, which is so bad. So I'm going to be unboxing this phone. And I also got this really cheap Kmart case. It was $5.50. It probably won't even be the right color pink, but it's only just temporary, then I'll probably buy another case. Let's do this. So I have just finished unboxing it. I hope you liked the video of the whole unboxing. Here is the phone. Currently just got that cheap Kmart case on, and I will go and buy another one. It's not the best and it's really dirty even already. I really like the colour of the pink of the phone. It's really pretty. So I'll just hold on, take the case off again. So you can see it from here. So this is what it looks like. The lighting's a little bit off. It's like a really pretty light pink and I like it, and it's like got a little bump here where the camera is, but it's like huge, not a little bump, and it looks like weird. This is the phone, and I did transfer everything over so it looks exactly like my current phone. I mean my old phone, but that's okay because I wanted it to be the same. I'll change a little bit, and at the moment there is no screensaver on it. That is because, screen protector. Yeah, there is no screen protector on it because it's like 7 PM and so we didn't have time to get it, and we don't want to do it ourselves because I don't trust that. We're going to go tomorrow to get the screen protectors and then it will be all perfect. And then I will order a case on the internet, probably just a clear one with like pink or something edges. That's my phone. I might film a what's on my iPhone in the future. But other than that, I hope you guys liked the video. I will see you in the next video. Bye.